Alright, Endo, where are we going?
Hoover Dam, baby. We're going to find Yes Man.
What is that?
All my New Vegas people know. We're going to find Yes Man.
I don't care if these niggas not feeling me. I'm just trying to go hard for my family. Cutting close to the friends and the enemies. No shorty, she trying to get next to me. Can't let her get none of my energy. Watch me count up the guap and the feta cheese. Can't let none of these niggas get in between. Used to weigh up the dope on the triple beam. I still weigh up the dope on the triple beam. Remember days sipping 7 red lean. Run up and get pop with a red beam. My niggas got stripped like the mad team. I was born in the 90s with LSD. No pussy man, he cannot rock with me. I stick to myself like a loose leaf. Pull up in the foreign like who is he? Niggas be talking like plugs. We do not fuck with them clowns. I'm with the gang, ain't doing no talking, my nigga, we stomping them out. Tell him pull up right now. Chinley in the pussy with some rounds. When you in the streets, this shit could get hot. Bitch, no cooling it down. What?
Niggas be talking like plugs. We do not fuck with them clowns. I'm with the gang, ain't doing no talking, my nigga, we stomping them out. Niggas be talking like plugs. We do not fuck with them clowns. I'm with the gang, ain't doing no talking, my nigga, we stomping them out.
I be like, sheesh, don't accept defeat, wasn't in the streets, polo on the fleece, money never crease, I get on the beat, she get on the knees, she be getting weak, I don't want speak, I turn to a beast, I'm straight off the leash, I leave them deceased, the money decreased, ain't never with me, this shit getting hot like I changed the degree, ayy. I got a plug, his name Danny. I pull up on you like I'm Billy and Mandy. She do not like kids, so she stay eating Plan B. I stay underwater like my name is Sandy. I get to this paper, these haters can't stand me. Outer space, baby, and just now I'm landing. Shit gon' feel crazy like it's a new planet. Pop on the scene and I just go and vanish.
No exit at the end of the walkway. Enter at your own risk. It says no exit at the end of the walkway. Enter at your own risk.
Oh my god.
Crazy how high up we are right now. The wind is insane on top of this bridge. But as you can see, if you look out over the bridge, you have the Hoover Dam. Get up here a little bit, we'll be able to see all the way down into it. Just trying to make sure my hat doesn't fly away. Up here scared shitless, trying to run back off the bridge. There he is. Just an insane creation though. Crazy that we as people can build things like that. Just massive, goes down so deep. Kind of sketchy standing on this bridge, but it's worth every single second of it. If you don't go out on the bridge, what are you doing?
Peppercini.
kid just got the new hat.
We're fucking
You
out
know,
here.
Kid's Hoover Dam official now. I'm weak. Alright, let's send it
Fucking
down.
cold out here, bro.
Shout out the Hoover Dam hat.
Don't play, bro. We don't play around here. I don't like me a joint. Hey, do I have my joint?
Can't smoke out here.
I don't have my joint.
It's like no smoking signs everywhere. And folks, I present to you the Hoover Dam.
Of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the tail bay, or tail race, but in reality that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is and spills
Crazy.
into the ways, flowing on downstream. The water comes out of the turret. Two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the...
As always, if you enjoyed the video, smash the subscribe button, drop a like down below, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see in some future videos. But as always guys, much love, and I'll see you on Sunday.